Okay guys, thought I'd do something a little different today for my channel. I'm going to include you in this closet here. This is our motorhome. I need to put a shelf in here about 18 inches high. The only issue being that there is a sewer stack in the back, so I got to cut around that stack. When we get going here, I will get you more into it. But that is we got a project for today here on Drones Travels. Is I'm getting the motorhome ready for our adventures this summer. So hang tight and we'll start the video here directly. Okay guys, I saved you some headache, hassles. I've already got my shelves made that are going to go in here. They're going to set just like so. But what we got to do, we're going to take them out. Normally I'd use a level on these, but because of the motorhome may or may not be level correctly, it's not going to work. So what I did is I got my boards all cut. I have the height 18 inches. So what we're going to do, I'm going to put that in there, set my board up. I don't know if you can see this or not. We'll set my board up. I'll show it to you right there. Okay, that's going to be my 18 inches of height right there. Then we're going to hit it with a nail gun, which I got a pin nailer right here. I'm all set. We're going to hit this corner like so, and you can see it pivots now. Hopefully you can. Let's do this. We're going to put you in the closet. There we go. Or by the closet. So anyway, see how this board pivots up and down? I know lighting here sucks. We're going to take this board now, because this is my height I want. I'm going to go back here, and we're going to put that underneath there. And we're going to hit it with a nail gun. There. Now my board is exactly 18 inches. Now we're going to do the back board the same way, which, sorry about the mess, but we're working on it. Hopefully this should be one of my boards. Right there it is. Okay, see how that board sits? Because we're going to go around this stack. So, we'll go like this with you. Need a bigger tripod. I need more super chats. Okay, hopefully you can see in there. Okay, now we're going to take our board again. We're going to put it back here. And we're going to step this right up on top of there. And we notice something right away. Okay, what we're going to do, I'm going to eyeball this, because there's a little difference in this cabinet. Okay, we're going to put that there. We're going to eyeball this thing just like so. That should be pretty close right there. Just like so. Alright. There's our two boards. You see that what's going to end up happening here is the shelf is going to sit on these. So I'm going to have storage down here. And these I'm not worried about finish, because I'm going to paint them to match this. So then we got our next board here. We got our next board right here. You can see it right here. And we're going to do the same thing over here. Now, because I got worked off that corner, we're going to put this over here. And if you notice, we got an immediate problem. So what I got to do is we're going to take my marker here, and I'm going to go out with my saw, and I'm going to shorten this, cut this to fit. We're going to go out there, and I'll be right back. So you guys can stare at the closet. You can see right there how the boards are right now. So I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back, guys. Then we're going to go over here now. I'm going to get you a different view. There we go. Sorry about the lighting. We're in a closet, you know. Someday I'll get out of the closet. We're going to line this up with that board, just like so. My nail gun right here. Just like so. Then we're going to take our board here we got. See, we're going to put him right out here again. And boom. Like that. Now, as we bump our camera here with the hose. Okay, this is one, the shelves are 2 pieces. Like so. And we got one that goes in the front here. And obviously we're dealing with a motorhome, so it ain't like an actual house. So there's areas that aren't square. And right away I got me an issue here. Let's see what we got to do here. I'm going to go out and rip this down. It's about a half, take about a ½ inch off it. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back. We got her cut down. Now, let's hopefully that's, I did right. Look at there. I need to do a little bit of trimming on the back one. Because I want to shift it over a little bit. Obviously our cabinet's not square. And you're wondering what I'm going to do here. I'm going to put a board across the bottom of here to make it look finished. So, what I got to do is this stack. This notch for the stack right here, I got to go out and I'm going to cut that another ½ inch over. So I'll be right back. Back here, I actually notched this a little wider, put a little wider notch in there, so I get, there we go, just like that. And obviously we're dealing with something that's not too square. It's a motor home, so there it is. This way we got storage down here and we can hang stuff up here. It's the idea of it. So next we'll take the nail gun and I'm going to attach it to the board. You notice I had a board in the back that had a gap there, but it ain't going to affect this as far as weight. So there's one little spot that's not supported, but it ain't going to hurt it. Make sure I still got, yeah, I got nails. So right there, that's that piece. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my ruler, which, where did I leave it set at? Outside. I'll be right back again. That was quick, wasn't it? Okay, we're going to measure from here and the inside edge. So we want to be 18 and 3/8. So I'll go cut a board and we're going to put a board across the bottom there and make it finish. Now I'll be back. Alright guys, you see the shelf here now? This is just something to make it look a little more finished than just sticking a board in there. So we'll do, I'm going to run this board right over it right there. There with a nail gun. And of course we can pull that board out. See there? Shelf is in, just like that. And I'll give you a little closer look here. You can see the shelf is in. Solid. You can see how I went around the perimeter of it now. And I put this to finish it off. And what's really, you know, look there, the door still closes. I did good. So now we gained an area to hang clothes, plus we got storage down here for stuff. So that is a quick lesson for those of you who are not into woodworking on how to install a shelf. And I'm not getting fussy with this. When I sign off from here, this video, I'm going to paint this the same color as the interior, and we're going to call it good. So thanks for watching. And if you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for future updates. And my next step will be to build a custom counter extension on the other end for and this is another one of the motorhome updates. So thanks very much, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.